Oftentimes the customer will come to us with an application where they need a custom panel, and they don't have the time or energy or resources to fabricate it themselves. They can do pretty much anything. Anything from distributing water that's clean for people to use and drink, to distributing processed water that's used to cool things, utility air to drive tools, hydraulic fluid for hydraulics, other plants and facilities like refineries and chemical plants that are producing plastics or refining crude oil into fuels. So they can be part of any larger system.
So I'm going to be involved in the layout, helping the customer get exactly what they want on the panel, making sure that we can get it all to fit. When the customer comes to us, sometimes they will have the complete design already. They'll have it already laid out. They know exactly where everything wants to be. Sometimes I just get a flow path given to me. So I know that I'm coming in, say at the top of the panel, and I've got to exit somewhere at the bottom of the panel, and I have to figure out how everything fits. We've had customers come over and we have actually physically laid components out on the panel to determine where they should be. And then I will be combining all the components that are necessary, to complete the welds and to complete the panel.
We can go out to their site, look at their application hands-on, help them troubleshoot what's currently going on, and help them redesign what the best solution might be. And we even sometimes have the ability to functionally test them before we deliver them so they can install them and ensure that it's going to work right out of the box.